Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add subdomain to ConvertKit. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your ConvertKit and go to your profile icon, the top right corner of the screen over here. And after that, just simply go for the settings on the drop down. And on the left side, you should be able to see here email. So just simply click on that. And from here, you should be able to see here, set up your verified sending email. So guys, as you can see, verified sending domains are strongly recommended for senders more than 3,000 subscribers. If you fit this criteria, get started by connecting a domain you already own. And from here, just simply enter your domain and it must be a root domain, and this will be the examples. You should be able to add it over here. So another option is just simply click on domains over here on the left side, and you should be able to add your custom domain over here. You can buy a new domain, or you can just simply connect an existing domain over here. And as you can see, you may add either a root domain or a subdomain over here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.